Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be taking you through the process of linking a chatbot to your YouTube channel. And in this video, I will be using Botisimo as the example, but if you're looking to do this with any other chatbot, the process is going to be very similar. Anyways, to begin, you're going to go ahead and need to first create your account. And after entering your account details, you're going to go ahead and just click the continue button and you'll be brought to the page which will ask you to choose which platforms you'd like to connect. And obviously today we're connecting this chatbot to my YouTube channel, so I'm going to go ahead and click on YouTube. I'll hit the continue button once again and I will now be brought to the page which will ask me to confirm all the details I just entered. So just double check that everything you've entered there is 100% correct and click confirm. And just like that, my Botisimo account is now completely set up. Then on the connections tab on the Botisimo website, I'm going to go ahead and click this connect with YouTube button in order to link the two accounts. And after selecting the YouTube/Google account that I want to connect my bot to, it's going to ask me to allow Botisimo to manage my YouTube account. And this phrasing, manage your YouTube account, might seem a little bit scary if this is your first time doing this process, but basically all this is going to do is give the bot the required access it needs in order to do all of its features. So you'll then go ahead and click the allow button to give it that access. And then after you're redirected to the Botisimo website, under your connections tab, you will see the YouTube channel that you decided to link. But the process is not fully complete yet because we still have one more thing to do over on YouTube. So you're going to want to head over to YouTube and then navigate to your YouTube studio. From here, you're going to go down over to the settings tab in the bottom left corner. Then in this tab, you'll see there is a place to add moderators. So what you're going to go ahead and do is type in the YouTube channel address of Botisimo, which is just youtube.com/Botisimo. And the icon and channel name should pop up right here just like this. From there, all you have to do is click on it and then click the save button and you're done. Now, the next time you go live on YouTube, you should be able to access all of your custom commands and any other features you have enabled through the Botisimo website. Hopefully this process was pretty straightforward and not confusing for you, but if there are any questions you have, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below.